will be Christine Chapman running Darcy, Shetland Sheepdog in the Veteran Small Division. Chrissy is from Virginia Beach, Virginia. In ring 1, we have Wendy Watts and Remington leading the course. Our next dog up in ring 1 is dog number 141, another one of Betty Carter's crew. This will be Bella, another Shetland Sheepdog in the Veteran Hammer Small Division.